Hello, and welcome back to Senior Prius, your go-to channel for all things Prius. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the ODO TRIP button on your second-generation Prius. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking your driving patterns and understanding your vehicle's performance over different trips. So, let's get started. First, make sure your Prius is parked safely. Now, take a look at your dashboard. You'll find the ODO TRIP button located near the speedometer. This button allows you to cycle through different displays on your dashboard, including the odometer, ODO, Trip A, and Trip B readings. To use it, simply press the ODO TRIP button briefly. Each press will cycle through the odometer, Trip A, and Trip B. The odometer displays the total distance your Prius has traveled since it was first used. Trip A and Trip B can be used to measure distances for specific trips or periods. For example, you can reset Trip A for each new trip to track your distance, and use Trip B to monitor your weekly driving distance. To reset Trip A or Trip B, press and hold the ODO TRIP button while either trip is displayed until the reading resets to 0. This is particularly helpful for managing your fuel efficiency and understanding how different driving habits affect your Prius's performance. And that's all there is to it. Using the ODO TRIP button on your second-generation Prius is a simple yet effective way to keep track of your driving and improve your overall vehicle efficiency. Remember, regular monitoring can help you become a more eco-conscious driver. Thanks for tuning in to Senior Prius. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with other Prius enthusiasts. Drive safely, and until next time, keep it green.